Hello everyone, in this video we will see one of the C program to print this pattern. Okay, so this is basically the full pyramid. So let's see how we can solve this question. So as a pattern question, again, user will be giving the number of rows that he wants to print. He will be giving, let's say, number of rows as 3, then this pattern should be printed. For number of rows 4, this pattern should be printed. As you can see, if number of rows are 3, then again there are more number of rows than 3. They are total 5 rows. This is first row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. Same way here also more number of rows than the 4. Okay, they are there. Okay, so how we can print this pattern? Okay, although we are given number of rows are 3. So basically there is a pattern in this. Okay, so if you see for the first 3 rows, okay, we have a one pattern like 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. Sorry, 1 star, then 3 star, then 5 star. And after that, okay, first it is expanding. Then this is like coalescing, that is decreasing. Okay. So user have given number of rows as 3, taking this thing into consideration that this is expanding till 3 row. Okay, first 3 rows it is expanding. So he says, okay, I am giving this 3. Okay, now you have to take care. Okay, this 3 means it should expand till 3 rows, and after that it should collapse following the pattern. Right, here also number of rows are 4, then this pattern is expanding till 4 rows, first, second, third, fourth. Right, and then after that it is like decreasing, number of stars are decreasing. Okay, for the fifth, sixth, seventh row. So that's why he gave 4. Okay, till the point it is expanding, number of stars are expanding in the each row. Okay, so in this way you can print this all rows. Okay, so this is the meaning of the pattern, right? So now let's see how we can solve this. So before moving forward, let me tell you, we have already seen all these pattern videos in our previous videos, right? So you can watch these videos. It is highly recommended that you should understand these videos, and we will see that using this pattern, using this pattern, okay, basically combining the code of this pattern, we can solve our today's this video's question. Okay, this full pyramid question, we can solve this. Okay, so you can find the link of all these videos in the C programming playlist, or you can say practice programming C language. Okay, you can find the link in the video description below. So let's move forward. So as we have seen this pattern also and this pattern also in our previous video, if I combine both these patterns, okay, this is the like first, this is the second, both this first and second pattern, then we can get this pattern, right? So we can consider this first to fourth row as upper pyramid and last 3 rows as the lower pyramid, right? So what we will do, we will write the code for this part, and then we will write the code for this part, right? That means this upper part is like this and lower part is something like this, which is like decreasing, right? So this is the code. Okay, so as you can see, for the first 4 rows this is the code. Okay, and for the next 3 rows this code will be executed. Okay, now how this code will run? Again, I have taken that code in which I am dividing this into 2 parts, right? We have seen 2 approaches for solving this question and for solving this question, right? So I have taken this thing. This is one part and this is second part. Okay, so the concept is, in each row the number of stars that are there, they are odd in numbers. They are 1 star, 3 star, 5 star and 7 star. So these are like odd numbers, right? So same code I have taken here. Okay, so let's see how this code will run. Okay, so for the first 4 rows this will run. Okay, for first, second, third and fourth row, and for the next 3 rows this code will run. So for I equal to 1, here you can see how many stars, 3 stars. So for I equal to 1, this will come and this will run 3 times. Okay, I'm not telling in very detailed manner, because this code is same for this and this code is similar to this only. Okay, and both I have explained in my previous video, so you can watch them. Okay, now after printing this we have to print 1 star. So this will run, and for I equal to 1, how many times it will run? 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 1. So 1 time my star will print. Now I will change line. Now I will come for I equal to 2. I equal to 2. Now I have to print 2 stars. Sorry, 2 spaces. So this will run 2 times. Then 3 stars. then 3 stars will be printed with the help of this for loop. Then again I equal to 3, this will run. Same way I equal to 4, this will run. Now after I equal to 4 is done, and now it will come for I equal to 5, then this loop will be false because this pattern is for number of rows equal to 4. Okay, now when this will come out, okay, that is we are for I equal to this row. Okay, we will come here and now we have to print. Okay, now as we have seen in our previous video that for this reverse pyramid I was taking the number of these rows in the reverse order, that is 4 3 2 1, right, not in the simple way, that is 1 2 3 4, just for the simplicity of my code. Okay, you can number in at 1 2 3 4 also. Same thing I will use here. Okay, now what I will do is, here you can see there are how many stars, there are total 5 stars, then 3 stars, then 1. So now consider this, okay, consider this as one pattern. Okay, and you are given number of rows as 4. Okay, so you think if you are given number of rows as 4, then you have to print this pattern, right? That is only three rows should be printed. If number of rows are 5, then there will be 4 rows. You can just draw it by yourself. Okay, that there will be like one more row. Okay, if the total rows that we have to given by user are row equal to 5, then in the lower part there will be 4 rows. That means there will be row minus 1. Number of rows will be in the lower part for given number of user input, right? Okay, in that sense I am saying that for row equal to 4, okay, this is like third row, this is second row, this is first row, again in the reverse. Okay, again in the reverse manner. Okay, so this is like third row, row minus 1. Okay, this is second row and this is first row. Okay, now in that sense, okay, I have taken numbering of rows from row minus 1. Okay, that is 4 minus 1 3. So this will run 3 2 1 in this way, 3 2 1, and accordingly this will run. So for I equal to 3, this will run. Okay, how many space it has to print? Only 1. So row variable is same, 4. 4 minus I value is 3, so 4 minus 3, it is 1. One time this will run. Then this will run how many times? There are 5, so I is 3, so 2 3 are 6 minus 1 5. 5 times it will run, so 5 stars will be printed. Then for I equal to 2, that means this one, this will come, and then again this will run how many times? It should run 2 times. So row minus I, row is 4, I is 2, 2 times, 2 spaces will be printed. Then 3 times this should run. So because value of I is what? I value is 2, so 2 multiply I is 2, 2 to the 4 minus 1 3, so this value is 3, so j equal to 1 to 3, 3 times this will run, right? And then for I equal to 1, because it is decrementing, I equal to 1, this will run how many times? 3 times. You can check that. Okay, 4 minus 1 3 times. This will run how many times? 2 multiply I is 1, 2 1 is 2 minus 1, this will run 1 time, 1 time, and after that I value is 0, so this will not run. Then we will use just saying return 0 and program with n. Okay, I hope you have got the idea. This is the upper for loop, this is upper pyramid, this is the lower pyramid. Okay, the numbering I have done so that I can just take the previous code and I have to do just the minimal changes in my previous code. That's why I'm thinking in that direction, that I'm numbering in this way. You can number this as like 5 6 7, and you can write the code in that way also. Okay, you just try run this code once or twice. Okay, and then you will be able to understand that how the code actually runs. Okay, so this is our code, okay, that we have just seen. Okay, upper pyramid, then lower half pyramid. Okay, so if I give number of rows as let's say 3, okay, then see my pyramid is printed. If I give 4, then again my pattern is printed for the pyramid. Okay, so I hope you have got the idea. So if you have any question, comment, suggestion, please write down into comment box. and you can just tell me the other codes, okay, for this pyramid in the comment section. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.